Hi, it's Dr. Greenberg. So we're doing some sculpture to the hip dips here, and this works really well for the build up the patient's own collagen. And this is all numb, so she doesn't feel a thing. How you doing?
Amazing.
All right. This will take a month or so for her own collagen to start to develop, and her hip dips will be gone.